How does the brain work? I get this question all the time. How does the brain work? Well, let me tell you, the brain is like a computer. It has hardware and software. The hardware is the physical parts of the brain, like the different lobes and the neurons. The software is the programs that run on the hardware, like the brain's different functions. The brain is divided into three main parts. The top part is the cerebrum. This is the largest part of the brain, and it's responsible for things like thinking, learning, and memory. The cerebrum is also what allows us to be conscious and aware of our surroundings. Underneath the cerebrum is the cerebellum. This part of the brain is responsible for things like balance and coordination. It also helps with things like speech and eye movements. And then there's the brainstem. This part of the brain is responsible for things like breathing and heart rate. It also connects the cerebrum and the cerebellum to the spinal cord. Now let's take a look at the hardware, the physical parts of the brain. Neurons are the basic unit of the brain. They're the cells that carry messages between the different parts of the brain and the rest of the body. Neurons have a cell body and also dendrites, which are like branches that receive messages from other neurons. And then there's the axon, which is the part of the neuron that sends the message to other neurons. There are billions of neurons in the brain, and they're all connected together to form a network. This network is what allows the different parts of the brain to communicate with each other, and it also allows the brain to control the rest of the body. So that's how the brain works, a complex network of neurons that are responsible for everything we do, from thinking to moving our bodies. It's amazing to me that something so small and delicate can control everything we do. If you want to learn more about the brain, I've included some resources below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new. Okay, so now I'm going to take a break. But if you guys want to keep learning, I've got a ton of videos on my channel. Just type in the search bar, whatever you're interested in, and you'll probably find a video on it. I've got videos on all sorts of topics, from science to history to philosophy. So just type in whatever you're interested in and have fun learning.